Hi traders, welcome to the review of TC2000. So as you can see here, this is a very powerful software. So if you are into day trading stocks or day trading options, this is a must-have software that you must use every day so that you can improve your results and be a consistent day trader. So in this case here, as you can see, I have the program set up for day trading small cap stocks, but here on the conditions, I don't have any condition. I just have all the US stocks available on the market. So I have it here sorted by the change. So I want to see which stocks are the ones that are doing the biggest movements here on the day, so that I can find some opportunities to day trade and make money with the difference. So in this case here I have it set up this way, but you can change the setup for you. So in this case I have here the watch list, here another watch list, but in this case I add the stocks, and also here another watch list, and it's the same, I add the stocks here. Also here in this line you can see it's the same stock that it's connected with this watch list. So if I click here in another stock, as you can see, it always changes these three lines here. So in this case I have here the 1 minute, the 15 minutes and the 1 day chart for the stock that it's selected here. So as you can see here, also here we have more charts below. As you can see, it's all 1 minute charts, and I have here multiple stocks. As you can see here in every chart, as you can see, I have the volume, because it's one of the most important indicators that you can have if you want to day trade stocks, and in this case small cap stock, because if you want to day trade small cap stocks, if they don't have enough volume, you will get in problems, not only to get in but also to get out of the trade. And that's why you always should choose stocks that have high volume per minute, so you don't have problems getting in and also getting out. Also in this case, as you can see here, this is a very powerful program, so you can customize it your own way. Also you can add enough screens so that you can customize it depending on the strategy that you want to use, or depending on the case that you want to follow. So in this case here, as you can see below, I have here multiple tabs. Each tab, it's a different way for the screen. So in this case here, in analysis screen, I have only one chart, and I have here the news, and also here the US stocks that are being traded on the US market. Also here, if I go here to the options, you can see here, this is the options tab, where if I want to day trade options or swing options contract, as you can see here, I have a lot of information. Let's put here on Tesla, because it's one of the most popular stocks to day trade contracts of options. So in this case here, as you can see, we have immediate access to the change, the implied volatility for the stock, the time value, in the money and out of the money value, gamma, theta, vega, delta, days expiration, open interest, volume, but also the quotation, which is with the bid and the ask. Also you can mark here the contract if you want to see that contract later. Here also you can not only paper trade stocks, as you can see here. If I go here, I can paper trade stocks, I can buy or short or sell, as you can see here also. So in this case, if you are into options, you can go here and selecting trading option strategy. As you can see here, you have a lot of trading stock. As you can see here, you have a lot of options strategies. As you can see here, depending on the side that you want to trade. So if you are bullish, here are the strategies. If you are bearish, and if you want to profit from the volatility. So in this case, continue. Also you can open here. If you click here on the contract, it's going to show you here the performance of the contract based here on the chart of the stocks. So as you can see here, I did select the 350 strike price, so it showed here a line, and above 350, as you can see here, it's highlighted green because it says that it's in the money. If it's out of the money, as you can see here, there is no highlight here. Also you can day trade paper trade options contracts, as you can see here. This is for the options contracts, and this is for the stock. So if I want to paper trade the options contracts, as you can see, I just need to go here, buy, or here to sell. Also here, if you want to see the performance, as you can see here, also you can do this, and you will see in the box the return. Also, if you put here the mouse, as you can see here, we have the price for the contract and also the price for the stock. So if you are into options, as you can see here, this is a very powerful software. So I'll continue. As you can see here, I have multiple tabs with different screens so that I can customize it and I can add new strategies. Also here on the watch list, I can use the watch list to sort the stocks by a lot of conditions. So for example, let's say that you want to see only stocks that have a price between 1 to 10. So you can go here and you can go to the conditions and change it so that it shows only stocks with a price between 1 to 10. So as you can see, this is a very powerful program, and this is more powerful than TradingView, because if you are interested in using TradingView, you must know that TC2000 is much better and it doesn't have a lag like you have in TradingView. So as you can see, it's another type of software. Also here, if we go here, let's go back to our main screen. So in this case here, as you can see, the technical analysis tools are here, as you can see. Also, you can change the chart. You have a lot of properties. You can change the style, you can change the indicators, add indicators, remove indicators. Also we have here the VWAP, that it's also very important here to day trade stocks. Here also you can add or remove the pre and after hours market data. Also you can change the scaling, add comparisons, change the colors, add the option symbols, and also add event markers. As you can see, there is a lot of options here available. Also, as you can see here, this is not only a very powerful software, but it's very easy to use, very easy to customize it, and also doesn't have the same lag as you can find on TradingView, and that's why this is a much better alternative if you are interested. Also here on the times, you can change and choose different time frames. As you can see here, we have a good feature that is very popular here, which is the volume buzz. Volume buzz indicates when we have a stock that it's having a higher volume than it had in the last days. So as you can see here, for example, so in this case, this stock, it's, as you can see, at this time we have 77.1 million traded shares, as you can see here. And if you see the last days, as you can see, we only had 15.7, 7.3k. As you can see here, it's a big difference in the volume that we are having today than we had in the last days. Also, you can add here alerts. Let's say, for example, that you want an alert if this stock goes to 4. So you can go here, you can go to create price alert, and as you can see here, you add here the alert. Okay, and so if it reaches the 4 price, you will get an alert and also receive an email in your email address. So also here, this is a very powerful program. Not only has a lot of features, you can export chart data, you can share, you can save the chart, you can print, you can post your notes. Also, you can add a lot of things here. Also, you can add to the chart indicators, fundamental plot, sector and industry, event markers, and also a conditional color based on here on the library. Also, so you can see here, we have here a big library of indicators, so that you can choose here between one of them. Also here we have the fundamentals, we have here the industries indexes, T2s, the ETFs. Also we have here formulas, we have here also for the forex pairs. As you can see, we have a lot of features in this software. So this is one of the best softwares if you are interested in day trading stocks, not only because it has a lot of features, but it will help you find stocks in real time that can make you the difference between profiting or losing money. So we end this video. We end this video now. If you have any doubt, suggestions, you can write below on the comments.